down from Hallowell, which is great. Landlord Tom Wright for helping to make this happen. And our team from MRRA. You want to introduce yourselves real quick?
Tom Brubaker, Steve Levesque.
Christine Schumann.
The great thing about these electric chargers, they're twofold. One, they're electric chargers, and there are none in Greater Brunswick that have this capacity and this accessibility. So we're really excited to offer this to commuters and tourists coming up through the Route 1 corridor. And the second is we're really excited to have them here at Flight Deck because we've had a lot of people come through our parking lot, and a lot of them over the summer especially, we're driving Teslas and we're driving electric vehicles, and we see that as an increasing base of our customers. So we're really excited to offer that as a service to folks who are here. The electricity, Flight Deck is paying for the electricity. Part of the deal, thanks to Tesla, they paid for the chargers and subsidized the install cost. And so the chargers were at no cost to us in exchange for us paying for the electricity. And so we're excited to offer that to our customers. And all we ask is that if you find it to be of value, come in and buy a growler to go. And thank you to Revision for being here and for making the install happen. We've got a couple of their vehicles here on site. And we also have a giant pair of scissors, which I believe are renewable scissors. So on that note, Steve, do you want to say a couple notes? One of the other really big differences of the electricity use here is that it's 100% renewable because the whole landing is 100% renewable, in large part because of what MRRA has been doing. You want to speak to that?
Sure. I mean, our strategy with the redevelopment of the former base, Brunswick Landing, is to make it a renewable energy center where 100% of the power here will be generated on campus. And right now we're buying some power off campus, but we hope to continue adding resources so that 100% of the power will be here on campus and be green.
So one of the great things is when you charge up, the two key energy sources right now come from solar and anaerobic biodigestion, which is a fancy word for saying they take organic matter and digest it down to methane to power a turbine. And the cool thing is some of our brewery waste actually goes into that process. So every beer you drink contributes to the electricity you use to charge your car. And don't look too far into that. What's that?
It's a good investment.
It's a great investment. Beer drinking is good for the environment. So on that note, Scott, you want to help me do the honors?
Sure.
As a driver. And the ribbon is
here we go.
Cut. Nice!
Yay!